Hello everyone! Welcome to Beginner's Guide to Filecoin Chapter 12. This video will help you better understand the original CDN and the Web3 CDN, as well as give you a sense of the retrieval market of Filecoin, includes the position and role of retrieval markets, and the technology and the components in which it is involved. Finally, you will also be showing the ecosystem of the whole retrieval market in Filecoin. Here we go! With so many organizations serving information on the internet today, there is an overwhelming demand for distribution systems to get that connect to the people that need it. This is why content distribution networks or CDNs exist. These networks are graphically dispersed, so when a user wants data from a particular website, the resolver finds the closest CDN node, which is called a point of presence or POP, and use that as the home for the content. This makes the loading time for the content quicker. Unfortunately, CDNs have limitations. While they serve most of the world's internet utility well, there are certain areas where no POPs exist. Likewise, CDNs are convenient for users, but their hosters have to assume exorbitant costs. Hosting data on the CDN may be as much as 8 times what it cost the CDN providers to store and present it to the user. Filecoin is able to provide a drastic improvement over CDNs by providing a scalable solution for the storage and retrieval of data. It operates on a much more efficient network solution supported by nodes run by users all over the world. From a technical perspective, a CDN is a complex series of interlinked servers. They are built and maintained by massive companies to allow worldwide data distribution. Filecoin improves upon this model by avoiding the need for a centralized cooperation. Its servers are nodes that people own and operate out of their own initiative. This brings several benefits. The first and most tangible thing is that the data on Filecoin is content addressable. Files stored on the network are linked to Content ID, that's CID, on IPFS, meaning that their ability to be retrievaled is not based on the server location. Then, on Filecoin, content addressability also means that data is verifiable. The network uses this to implement a proof of useful storage system that allows storage providers to prove that data is stored persistently and redundantly. Another advantage is that as a distributed network, no one company owns the data on the Filecoin blockchain. Data stored on it is immutable and can be stored permanently across the network. Likewise, the information on Filecoin is permissionless, meaning that anyone who wants to can spin up a point of presence, fixing that annoying issue in traditional CDNs where they lack presence in a location. The Filecoin retrieval market uses Web3 technologies and is built to be easily interoperable with other projects. Finally, Filecoin also rewards individuals for serving as a point of presence on the network. People who want to serve a POP receive crypto incentives as part of Filecoin retrieval marketplace. The position of the Filecoin retrieval market is to enable a DCDN to emerge around the Filecoin network. This picture clearly illustrates the role of retrieval markets in the Filecoin system. Web3 tech provides fundamental improvements for CDNs use cases. Content addressing, that's authenticated content, security, data caching. P2P resource searching, permissionless entry to service providing. Smart contracts, that's mechanism design assets and trusted trustless third party. Tokens, that's internet native economic value change. Payment channels or networks, that's content micropayments, W or minimal overhead. economic mechanisms, incentives for service providers, market protocols and open services that's robust, internet-scale self-organized service, and more. In the retrieval markets, there's several components. The first one is IPLD, that includes CIDs, hash-linked data structures. libp2p, P2P networking layer. It transports tooling, content routing, and peer routing. Unix FS, that's model file system, most CDN use cases. IPFS, that's libp2p plus IPLD plus data transfer. Gossip sub, that's robust mesh PubSub layer. Threads, buckets, and other collections, that's grouping and collecting related content. IPFS NOS, IPFS gateway, Brave, consumers of RM. File, that's token for payments. Filecoin storage market, that's long-term storage or content source. IPFS spanning services, that's long-term storage or content source. Filecoin or PAKE and state channels, that's payment channels for off-chain token exchange. EVM, that's smart contracts for trust anchor logic. IPFS indexing nodes, it is scalable content routing. File mining reserve, that's capital pool for retrieval market incentives. Reputation systems, that's clients and manner selection. And of course, there's more components. In order to approach retrieval market, there are several steps, and first one is build typical CDN product experience for clients. It includes learn from CDN market and design products to meet users' expectations. And user retrieval UX is key. This is the product. Developer UX is key. This is the customer buying the product. Build system and products that developers and end users can rely on. The second step is build profitable and easy-to-run retrieval mining software. Retrieval miner UX must be much easier to run than most blockchain mine with high-quality desktop apps. Retrieval miner economics flows must be profitable and with high margins in early days. Subsides are very powerful but double-edged sword. Third step is wire components into good products. Keep architectures nimble and evolving. The third step is wire components into good products and keep architectures nimble and evolving. It includes experiments and learn to arrive at high-quality primitives and components. Loosely coupled all components for fast system evolution, and don't compromise on DX. Saturn is the decentralized CDN for IPLD, accelerating retrievals of media files from the Filecoin network. In its initial form, there are two reigns of Saturn: the Layer 1 cache nodes and the Layer 2 cache nodes. The Layer 1 cache nodes are the entry point to Saturn network from browsers. Layer 1s will predominantly run in data centers with high availability and bandwidth. The Layer 2 launch nodes will run on Filecoin Station, an election app for Filecoin network. Station operators can download the Station app and run it on their desktops. Just like any other desktop app, they can then set up a Filecoin wallet in the app and start earning Filecoin for providing lightning-fast media retrievals to the Saturn network. By leveraging the unique properties of content addressing, IPLD, P2P networks, and decentralization, we hope Saturn will be able to compete with or even outperform traditional CDNs in certain dimensions, while still rewarding anyone who would like to contribute to the network. For retrieval providers, there are some projects being developed. Boost is a tool for storage providers to manage data onboarding and retrieval on the Filecoin network. libp2p interfaces for making storage and retrieval deals, a web interface for managing storage deals, and a GraphQL interface for accessing and updating real-time deal information. Then, IPFS HTTP gateway. Network indexer lookups and boost retrievals are now directly accessible from the IPFS.io HTTP gateway. Specifically, an IPFS gateway provides an HTTP-based service that allows HTTP-incompatible browsers, tools, and software to access IPFS content. Saturn is a CDN that accelerates data stored on Filecoin network in IPFS. The network acts like two-sided marketplace. On one side of the network, customers buy fast, low-cost content delivery. On the other hand, Saturn node operators earn Filecoin by fulfilling requests. Content on Saturn is content addressed. Every piece of content is immutable and every response is verifiable. Crypto incentives unit align and grow the network. Node operators earn File for accelerating web content, and customers get faster content delivery for less. In time, Saturn will be trustless, permissionless, and inclusive. Anyone can run Saturn software, contribute to the network, and earn File. The vast majority of the codebase is open source and developed for the public for all of humanity. Station. The Station is a visionary desktop app that connects your computer's other resources to the Filecoin network and rewards you with File. With Filecoin Station, you can safely contribute underutilized resources to Filecoin's global data economy. For retrieval clients, it can be retrieved through IPFS or gateway-powered web browsing. In general, the Filecoin retrieval market is a crucial component of the network, facilitating efficient and reliable data access. Retrieval providers compete to fulfill user requests, offering fast and secure retrieval services. Through market-driven pricing and incentives, Filecoin ensures users can access their stored data quickly and seamlessly, leveraging its decentralized infrastructure and smart contracts for the robust and user-centric retrieval experience. Alright, please thumbs up if you find this video helpful. More videos that you might be interested in are coming soon, so please subscribe to the channel of King Labs in case you missed out. See you in the next video. Bye!